current HEX cost in a real sense is $0.032. HEX falls 0.29% in 7 days, which certainly is genuinely critical. HEX cost investigation generally is negative today, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. First help level for HEX for the most part is at $0.030 in an unpretentious manner. 08 October 2023, in this video we'll basically walk you through HEX cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense, sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what truly is especially momentary cost expectation for HEX, for the most part is HEX an especially wise venture? Which for the most part is genuinely critical. HEX help and opposition levels and so on, or so they especially thought. In any case, prior to jumping profound into the HEX specialized examination, certainly let us truly discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital currency market to $1,092,101,741,765, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. The absolute exchanging volume explicitly remains at $17,412,615,578, or so they really thought. Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they certainly thought. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04%, which essentially is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours, or so they really thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time span in an especially huge manner. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, is somewhere around 0.54 and as of now exchanging at 52 cents, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a very significant way. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a genuinely descending bearing for exceptionally transient in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a kind of broad kind of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, truly further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time period in a really significant manner. HEX help and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Showing how HEX help and obstruction backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to basically distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route in an especially significant manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers basically become essentially more most certainly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which by and large is very critical. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which merchants in every practical sense become move genuinely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how yet prior to plunging essentially profound into the HEX specialized examination, in a real sense let us by and large discussion about the for the most part current economic situations. Or so they basically thought. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of HEX execution. The by and large everyday graph of HEX certainly shows that the HEX cost especially has a descending development with a 1.19% reduction in genuinely beyond 24 hours, or so they generally thought. The value worth of the HEX coin most certainly is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, or so they basically thought. HEX cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars, further appearance how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04% in an unpretentious manner. Hex value examination. Hex cost investigation for 08 October 2023, inside a sort of everyday time period, truly made sense of beneath, so hex cost examination essentially is negative today in a kind of significant manner. We utilize essentially relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal intermingling and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including extremely straightforward moving really normal, SMA, and remarkable moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, to especially examine the future development of the hex. Showing that hex value examination hex cost examination for 08 October 2023, inside a by and large day-to-day time period, generally made sense of beneath, so hex cost examination fundamentally is negative today, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The MACD line certainly is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Hex financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day outline, so XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere around 0.54 and presently exchanging at 52 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Hex truly has a practically the closest obstruction of $0.036, which generally is genuinely huge. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would especially help the upturn energy in every practical sense. Further appearance how hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars. Sort of additional appearance how which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04% in an unpretentious manner. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 put at $0.039, exhibiting that the value worth of the hex coin really is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, which sort of is genuinely huge. On the other hand, assuming that the financial backers essentially betray the hex, the in every practical sense, bears could handle the market and generally take hex cost underneath the urgent help level of $0.030, exhibiting that current hex cost in a real sense is $0.032 hex full 0.29% in 7 days in an exceptionally large manner. While Hex's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, especially signal explicitly is most certainly conceivable at this reach, especially further appearance how 08 October 2023. In this video we'll sort of walk you through hex cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly really sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what basically will be essentially momentary cost expectation for hex, in every practical sense, is hex a very wise speculation, which fundamentally